In this video, I would like to show you how you can grow your Roblox channel on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can grow your channel, and this is coming from someone that has been growing YouTube channels for a while now, to the point where I'm getting about, let's say, 80 to 100 views every single minute on this current channel that you're watching, and I'm doing about 130k views per day. So I'm not showing you guys this to brag or to show off or whatever. I just want to show you guys that I actually know what I'm doing, and I'm actually using strategies that work. So let's just get into the good stuff. So on YouTube, there are a few different ways to get views. So you can get views through the YouTube homepage, you can get views through the trending tab, subscriptions, recommended, and YouTube search. Now, if you're just growing a channel and you don't have a lot of momentum going on, I recommend going for YouTube search traffic. The reason why is that you don't have to rely on YouTube recommending your content. So basically what happens is that people go to YouTube and they search for how to, or they search for a certain topic. For example, they search for Roblox promo codes 2020, for example. So people search for this, and the people that are making videos on this and are showing up on here are getting thousands and thousands of views. This video, 3 days ago, it's already at 100k views. Now, this could be you, right? And in this video, I'm going to show the strategies behind this so that you can get your videos to show up here and you can get views consistently every single day so that you can grow your own Roblox channel. So for that, we're going to be using a couple of websites. So one of them is autocomplete.io. This is a autocomplete website where you can enter a keyword and they're going to show you a lot of keywords that people search for. So you want to click on YouTube in the top right corner. You then want to type in Roblox, and this is exactly what I do to, like on my channel, to get these views, because you probably found this video through searching for how to grow a Roblox channel, and I probably showed up. So you want to type in Roblox, then click on autocomplete me, and I'm going to show you a couple of more ways to do this as well. You don't have to use this website, but this just makes it easy to start. So there we go. So this is going to give you a ton of different ideas. For example, if we scroll down, I'm going to try and find a nice one that we can use as an example to grow your channel. So let's just see if I can find one, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so I actually changed the search term to how to Roblox, and I was able to find how to Roblox clothes. Alright, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to open a new incognito window so that my previous YouTube activity is not going to influence the results. That's what you want to do as well. So you want to type in how to on Roblox, and if you then do an underscore between these two, they're going to show you the results. So right now you can do your own research. So you're going to find a topic that's worth making videos on, and you're going to make as many videos as possible to rank on YouTube search and to gather a lot of views. So this YouTube prediction is how to make clothes on Roblox, and as you can see right there, the number one ranking video, the number two are having and getting a ton of views, 610k views and 744k views. So this channel has 24k subscribers, and their video got 600,000 views, which is a lot. This channel over here has 4k views. This was only her second ever video, and because she made a video on this topic, she was able to get 746,000 views. Alright, so that's what I mean by using the strategy of ranking videos in the YouTube search tab, which is basically showing up for these specific terms. You can get a lot of views, and you don't have to rely on the YouTube algorithm to push your content. You still need to make sure to get some decent watch time, get some decent click-through rate, so get a good thumbnail, but I highly recommend focusing on YouTube search terms before actually before you have any momentum going on. Like once you have momentum going on, you can make your own fun videos and probably get some virals with that. But if you're just starting, do what I do on my channel and find the search terms that people search for. For example, how to Roblox cookie lock. You copy it on here, you go into an incognito fresh window. So I would have to open a new one, but for now I'll just do it like this. And once again, 13k views after just 1 month on, let's see, a 198 subscriber channel. So all of these channels are getting way more views than their subscribers. So basically what you need to do is find these search terms by using a website called autocomplete.io, or just use the search bar predictions here. So they're going to give you all of these keywords. Make a video on that topic and you're going to blow up. You're going to get a ton of views by using the YouTube search strategy, just like me. If you don't believe me, I'll actually show you. So if I click on these, for example, the stats on this video, you'll see that 86% is coming from YouTube search. This video has made me over $2,000, and right now I have like 70k subscribers or 80k whenever you're watching this. But back then in March when I published this video, I probably only had like 10k subscribers. But this video is going to get 1 million views really soon. So yeah, that's what I would do. I'll also leave some videos on the card right now that show you how to rank videos and how to do the best keyword research. But that's it. That's what I would do to grow my Roblox channel. That's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one.